With Vishwanath, he commented there on this beautiful Lila Vichar, consideration of a Lila which manifested in his mind when he was meditating on this Rasa Lila. In chapter 30 and verse 2, this whole, by the mercy of Radharani and Yogamaya Shakti, Lila Shakti, and Krishna in the heart, and his Guru Varg, this whole beautiful conversation, Lila, it's not, he didn't imagine it. He's not a creative writer. This is his direct experience, his direct anubhav of the Leela, because the Leelas are going on at every moment. And if one has the proper apparatus, he can tune into the station and hear the broadcast. If you don't have a powerful receiver, you can't pick up the signal. Right? So if you have a powerful receiver, you can pick up a weak signal and amplify it and hear the music. This is in the radio transmission. So we're talking about the transmission of transcendental pastimes through time and space and everything. So if we have the right apparatus and the right machinery, then we can receive the transmission live and clear. Eyewitness Leela. I would like to witness Leela. Eyewitness Leela. That's, Vishwanath is telling that. Leela Shakshi. I am witnessing Leela, I'm seeing it. Leela Dristi. So now he steps back and goes into a philosophical mode. Let's say, as I mentioned, all the verses you can consider from Leela Vichar or Tattva Vichar. So he generally prefers to go into Leela than maybe no Tattva or later Tattva. Tattva is the philosophical principles, the rasa, the principles of Rasa, and many details. So then he explains the word for word and what it means in his own very deep and rasic way. So he says here, regarding this verse 2, I'll read again. Gatyana raga smita vipramekshater Manorama pavihara vipramay Akshipta chitta pramada ramapates Tasta vicheshta jagrihustaratmika. In this line 2, we have the word vihar. Manorama lapa vihar, which means pastimes of amorous union. So vihar here, we can have Krishna and have Gopa, you can have Goshta Vihar, you can have pastimes with the cowherd boys, and because Vihar means pastimes. So the word is only Vihar, but actually Vihar means some prayog. He says some prayog means a union, continuous and complete, a full union. So Vihar means the gopis are remembering Vihar and becoming bewildered. Vihar vibram. So the gopis in separation from Krishna, in this verse 2 of chapter 30, they're remembering their pastimes of union and great intimacy with Krishna, and they're becoming bewildered. And he explains, first they remember the pastimes of union, samprayog, and that's followed by vibram. So vihar is in line 2, and after vihar becomes vibram. The cause is vihar smaran. Remembering Krishna's Leela, then it becomes vibram, vihar vibram.